Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about conditions in Java. Okay, not in JavaScript, in Java. Okay, so here we are going to give a number and it give output. Say that it is odd or it is even. Okay, so now we have written import dot. Okay, so this is the basic one you already know about, and make sure that you write a class which you make file. So here I have make file with the name of conditions. So here the class name is conditions. Okay, make sure otherwise your program will not run. Okay, and next is public static void when a string asks, okay, a scanner new a scanner system dot int. So here what this mean, here this mean a scanner s is equal to new a scanner system dot int means whatever you run, let's say I run this program, so here it asks me I have to write down if I say 25. So when you input here, so when you press enter, so it will give you the output, it's odd or even. Okay, so that's why we use a scanner for giving input to the system. Okay, so here I give int x is equal to sc dot next int. So here using of conditions, if else condition, if x percent 2, which is the number is divided by 2 or and it remains 0, then it give even number, else it give odd. So whatever the number you are giving, if it divided by 2 and its remainder is 0, so when its remainder is 0, so that's basically even, and if its remainder remaining, then that's an odd. Okay, so else system dot print dot ln. So ln we use for next line. Okay, so here we give the value is odd. Okay, so now I'm going to give first. So I give it 10, so it's even, and again we run, and this time I'm going to give it 31, which is odd. So it give the output odd. That's all. Have a good day. See ya. Meet you in the next video.